Hello, my name's Faith Forsyth, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my Capstone project. My topic was on the effects of upcoming technology on new and old businesses and ways these companies can adapt to such changes. My first slide, I talked about the background. First point says technology is advancing every day and companies must stay up to date in order to succeed. Many companies have been forced to close their doors because they are unable to stay up to date. Causes of the problem: technology increasing at a fast rate, employees not learning new software and technology, and also technology can be expensive. The problem: companies who are unable to keep up to date with new technology are closing. Businesses are forced to change their ways in order to adapt to all the new technology. In this first chart, I explained some of the potential economic impact of technologies across size applications in 2025. So this shows a lot of the technologies in about 5 years, and some of the ones that should have the biggest impact, with the internet being number 1, also 3D printing being number 9, everyone knows iCloud at number 4. New technology and the cost. Technology is expensive and time consuming. Companies are now hiring workers just to handle the technology side of the company. Companies must pay for training that comes along with new softwares and technology. In this chart, I showed some ad spending for certain tech companies, especially some of the larger ones like Microsoft, Apple. You can obviously see how much they spend in ads, so that is a very large amount for a company just to post ads in technology. Okay, automated for the people. In this slide, I show the automated risks by job type. So food preparation, like all the McDonald's employees asking for a raise and want $15 an hour, they're just going to replace their jobs with technology. Automated devices, yeah. Companies vulnerable to technology changes. Small companies, older companies, companies with little funds, company like print shops and magazines. Since people are not printing ads as much as they used to, and people don't really read magazines, they can just go on websites. A lot of those companies are going to be at risk with this increasing technology. This is a chart about small business marketing. It shows you some of the largest ways small companies advertise, with word of mouth still being very large, but also advertising 44%, and then a lot of them use social media. Important company roles: stay updated on new technology, keep employees trained with new technology, look for new ways to incorporate technology into your company. Important employee roles: grow with your company, learn new techniques, and stay updated on training with new company technology and software. Here I showed some of the largest companies and their tech jobs, and how many women are still not in the tech world with some of these large companies. Negative side of increasing technology: it can be expensive to keep up to date on technology. It can be exhausting learning new software, and it can make employees feel disconnected with their jobs being so involved in technology. Conclusion: technology will continue to become a more important role in the workplace. It is best to learn new technology as it comes, then wait. Companies must educate their employees on new software and technology in the workplace. Recommendations for business is: hire professional trainers to keep employees up to date. Hire younger and bright employees who are good with technology. Be open to trying new software. Be open-minded when it comes to new approaches of doing business. recommendations for employees. Stay up to date on training, look into new technology that can improve your business, grow with your company. These are some of my references. In my conclusion, companies can grow and take advantage of the forever changing technology of today's world. If they choose to, it can be expensive to make sure to budget and hire employees who want to learn and adjust. Thank you, and that was my capstone project.